The Lost Kitten. Once upon a time, in a cozy little town nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was a kind and gentle soul, known for her love of animals. She often wandered the town's quiet streets, her pockets filled with treats for the stray cats and dogs that roamed freely. One sunny afternoon, as Lily was strolling through the town square, she noticed a tiny kitten huddled beneath a park bench. The kitten was trembling, its fur matted and its eyes filled with fear. Lily's heart went out to the helpless creature, and she gently scooped it up in her arms. The kitten, a petite creature with soft, black fur and piercing green eyes, purred softly against Lily's chest. Lily decided to name the kitten Midnight, for its dark fur and mysterious aura. She took Midnight home, determined to care for it and find its lost family. Lily showered Midnight with love and attention, providing it with warm milk, a cozy bed, and plenty of toys. Midnight, in return, repaid her kindness with endless affection, following her everywhere and curling up in her lap for hours on end. Days turned into weeks, and Lily's search for Midnight's family proved fruitless. She put up posters around town, asked every stray cat she encountered, and even visited the local animal shelter, but to no avail. Despite her disappointment, Lily never gave up hope of finding Midnight's home. She knew that somewhere out there, a family was missing their beloved pet, and she was determined to reunite them. One evening, as Lily was walking Midnight through the park, she heard a faint meowing sound coming from behind a bush. She cautiously approached the sound, her heart pounding with anticipation. As she peered through the leaves, she saw a group of kittens huddled together, their mother frantically searching for food. Lily's eyes widened in recognition. One of the kittens, a spitting image of Midnight, was among them. Overwhelmed with joy, Lily called out to the kittens, her voice trembling with emotion. The mother cat turned her head, her eyes filled with surprise. She recognized the familiar scent of her lost child and cautiously approached Lily, her tail twitching with hope. Lily gently placed Midnight on the ground, and the two kittens immediately recognized each other. They greeted each other with excited meows and playful nudges, their long-awaited reunion filled with joy and relief. Lily watched with a smile as Midnight and its siblings were reunited with their mother. She knew that she had found Midnight's true home, and her heart swelled with happiness. From that day on, Lily continued to care for the strays of her town, finding them homes and providing them with the love and care they deserved. But Midnight held a special place in her heart, a reminder of the joy of compassion and the power of love to bring families together.